Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy your post-study experience with LinkedIn step by step clearly. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture or name. Scroll down to the Experience section of your profile. Click on the Add Profile section button. Select Add Experience from the drop-down menu. Fill in the title field with your most recent position or experience. In the company field, enter the name of the institution or organization where you gained this experience. Set the time frame of your experience by selecting the start and end dates. Include a description of your role, focusing on key responsibilities and achievements. Utilize action verbs to highlight your contributions effectively. Incorporate relevant keywords that reflect your field of study and desired job roles. If applicable, check the box to indicate whether this experience is ongoing. Consider adding multimedia elements, such as documents or links, to showcase your work. Review your entry for clarity and accuracy. Once satisfied, click the Save button to add your experience. Return to your profile to visualize how the new entry fits with your overall presentation. Engage with your network by sharing insights about this experience in a post. Connect with professionals in your field who might find your new update relevant. Continue to update your profile regularly with new experiences and skills. Monitor how your enhancements attract engagement and connections in your network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.